Hi my loves, welcome back. You may recognise this setup from yesterday's vlog. I am up, obviously, as you can see. I am ready for the day and I'm about to head downstairs to eat because I am suddenly extremely hungry and maybe thirsty. And then after that I'm going to get straight into my editing and try and get that out the way nice and quick this morning. Yes, trees are arriving today because we actually have one for Library Barn as well, but I thought there were some kids decorations around, but I am struggling to think where they are, so I might have to go on a little hunt for those. So exciting! I can't wait to decorate the tree and so much more to do today, so I best go and get started with my editing. Loves. So we went to the garden centre briefly, well not that briefly actually. We were supposed to go there and get some more lights for the tree that's going to be in here, but they just sold out this morning of cluster lights, which I'm really sad about because I love it's the Const Smeder cluster lights. They're so good. We have them on the other tree. We do have quite a lot for that tree, so I'm wondering if I can nick some. Anyway, we're looking through these boxes that have been on our table in here for ages, and they're basically all full of kids' books. It's even more of my books from when I was little. Sorry, you're very rainy, so I'm just cleaning you up a little bit. So yes, for example, look at this. This is my first body book, and I remember thinking this was super cool. Look at that. So cool. But look at all this. So retro. We've got all my Roald Dahls, and the old copies. Beatrix Potter and Mr. Men. How cute. I'm not sure I have the full collection of Mr. Men, so I can't line up the spines. So I did not do any nice satisfying time lapse there because I just got stuck in and completely forgot. But it's looking a lot better in here now. Clear of boxes, more or less. Well, they're all by the door, basically. Ready to go various places that are not this barn, which is good. Yes, we're still waiting on our tree. It says out for delivery though. And Zach has just reminded me that our big tree in London came quite late in the day. It was definitely dark.
It was definitely dark, and I remember it being late.
Sort of evening-y. And it still says out for delivery, so hopefully they are on their way. But yes, did I say? Yes, I've already said we went to the garden centre and we didn't get lights, but we did get some decorations from here too. Whilst we're waiting for this tree, Zach and I are finally going to attempt to assemble this cart upstairs. So change of plans. Instead of building the cart, we decided to, or we thought we should help Indy sort out her room. Recently her Eve storage was all cleared out and it has loads of her old toys and stuff in it, so we portioned some off to keep for Innes here at the farm. Some Indy wanted to keep just for memories, and the rest needs to go. And her room was chock full of stuff, so we sorted that for her so she has somewhere to sleep tonight. She came out today, by the way, just in case you were wondering where Indy has appeared from. And now we are going to put the baby to bed. I can hear her squawking downstairs. I'm going to put the baby to bed and then we're going to do the trees because they have finally arrived. Super exciting, and I think we'll build the cot tomorrow. I swear, this cot will get built, it will. Hi my loves. It's officially time to Christmasify this house. Our two trees have arrived. They are very manageable sizes. So we are just working on this tree, and I think tomorrow we'll do the other one. I've also ruined my eyeliner. Try and ignore that and just look at my left side. Christmas hats on. Oh, and I haven't even shown you this cardie. Zach, take the camera and show the people my card. I got this off Etsy, I think it was. And the seller had loads of gorgeous Christmas cardigans, but by the time I had told my friends all about them and how many beautiful Christmas cardigans this seller had, sorry for Zach's camera work, they'd all gone. But maybe next year they'll get the same, so I'll link them up down below anyway, just in case you're watching this next year. It's very cute. Anyway, cut to... I think it will be bushy. I think it's very tightly packed. Yeah, I mean, what tree is this small? Other than a really small
I know, but it doesn't look like it's packing.
Sorry to come in at the end of this vlog, but I did not finish the vlog last night because I just collapsed. My back was killing me. The soles of my feet were killing me. I feel like I didn't even do that much yesterday. Like, it wasn't that real, but yeah, I just absolutely collapsed after we finished decorating the tree. So yeah, I think it looks really nice though. I think it's got a really nice shape to it. It's Norway spruce, I believe. Yeah, so they're slightly different to, as I said last year. Sorry if I'm repeating myself, but slightly different to the ones you get sort of everywhere here in the UK, which are the Nordmann firs. They drop their needles a bit more, but I think they're more kind of traditional, and they're more of a traditional shape. I think Nordmann firs, you can get some pretty dodgy looking ones. So anyway, this website, Send Me a Christmas Tree, does these Norway spruces and they deliver them, and I think the ones we've had so far, we had 2 last year and we're about to have 2 this year as well, because we're going to have one in here. We need to unwrap the one for in here, so I don't know yet what it will be like. That'll be in tomorrow's vlog. It's a little bit smaller than some of our previous trees. Like, it's not got a lot of girth, but I think that's because it's got a nice shape. But it actually... but it's actually, I think it actually fits the room quite nicely, because it's quite a low ceilinged room. And once it's got presents under it, I think it will look cute. That is our tree, our little tree decorating vlog. Yes, we did quite well yesterday, but now I have made a big mess again because I brought some stuff over from the house. Also awaiting some batteries because, so I'm obsessed with these Konst Smida, don't know if I'm saying that right, assume it's German, not sure. Well, these elves look a little dodge, but anyway, there's like sparkly bits, they need batteries basically, and I've ordered some batteries. Zach will have shown you the other ones that we've got in the main house, but I tend to get a new one every year. Well, in the last 3 or 4 years, however long it's taken me. I love the telephone box one in the main house. I think that's one of my faves. But yeah, get a new one from the garden centre. But this year I went all out and got 2. But obviously they're not lit up right now, so they don't look very impressive. I went on the website though last night and saw some seriously cool ones. I think you can order direct from them. So we'll have to see. If the garden centre hasn't got an amazing selection next year, I might peruse the website.
Is it the same make as the lights?
Yeah, so they also do our cluster lights, and they're really, really nice. We've got at least one set in amber, which is, I think, my favourite. So they're kind of really warm white. But anyway, this is the other one I got. Little Christmas tree. This one looks really cute too when it's... So you can actually plug these in. I don't think you can plug the other ones we've got in. I think this might be a new addition, but... I don't really want all the wires, so batteries it is. Anyway, my loves, I am gonna go. Thank you for watching today. Oh, I don't know if you, I guess the last time I did my library barn tour, the stove wouldn't have been in.
No.
So, I think I might do another little tour when it's actually Christmas. Maybe that'll be like on the final day of Vlogmas when we are back. I'll do a little tour with everything lit up and the tree up and everything. But yes, we now have a stove in here, which makes the world of difference. I don't know if I actually complained about this a lot on the vlog, but it was quite chilly last year because we didn't have the stove. We've also got an extra radiator in here now. We just had these 2 at the front, one in the kitchen and one in the bedroom, like on the mezzanine. So for quite a big space, when it got really cold, like in those kind of freezing temperatures, it was pretty chilly. Plus, the underfloor heating did not work in the bathroom, and that was the only heating we had in there. We have got a towel radiator in there, but it's for some reason never very hot at all, which is actually quite good now we've got a baby. But the bathroom especially was very cold. But yes, with the stove and the new radiator and the bathroom underfloor heating working, it's very cozy. In fact, some might say too warm currently. But anyway, I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching today. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.